Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, a powerful and versatile smartphone that offers an unbeatable combination of style and performance. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is a 5.9-inch Super AMOLED display smartphone, boasting a resolution of 1440 x 3088 pixels and a 120 Hz refresh rate. This means you'll enjoy stunning visuals with lifelike colors and smooth motion, making it perfect for gaming, watching movies, and browsing the web. Under the hood, the S24 Ultra is powered by a high-performing Exynos 9825 processor, coupled with 12 GB of RAM. This ensures smooth multitasking and seamless app management. Whether you're using multiple apps simultaneously or working with demanding applications, the smartphone features a triple rear camera setup, consisting of a 108MP primary sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 12MP telephoto lens. The camera system ensures stunning photos and videos, even in low-light conditions. The front-facing camera is a remarkable 40MP selfie shooter that will give you perfect selfies every time. In terms of storage, the S24 Ultra offers 128 GB of expandable memory, which is more than enough to store all your important files, photos, and videos. Additionally, the smartphone runs on Android 11 out of the box, accompanied by the intuitive Samsung Experience 11 user interface. The S24 Ultra is also packed with a powerful 5000 mAh battery, supporting fast charging through USB-C and providing all-day usage. The device also offers 5 grams connectivity, ensuring lightning-fast download and streaming speeds. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is an exceptional smartphone that offers a perfect balance of style and performance. With its impressive camera capabilities, fast performance, and large storage capacity, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking for a top-of-the-line device.